this video, pag-uusapan natin ang propulsion block. So same thing, no? Na always look for liquidity grabs before you consider yung isang structure na valid. Okay, liquidity grab, impulse move, then break of structure, then mag-iwan siya ng mga fair value gaps. Okay, a very good displacement. Okay, a very good displacement. Okay, when we say displacement, ito yung yung move ng market away from the range, no? Ang impulsive move ng market away from the range. Okay, so let's have this one. Okay, so ang propulsion block is like this. So una, okay, meron tayong structure shift, so may maiwan tayong order block dito. Now after niya ma-test yung order block, magkakaroon ng another break of structure. So this will be our propulsion block. Okay, yung propulsion block natin. Now, baka nagtataka kayo, no? Di ba yan din yung order flow kapag pinag-usapan natin yung SMC? So yes, this is the order flow. So basically, when you are trading propulsion block, you are trading the order flow, okay? The market structure, continuation setup. Okay, so let's have it sa chart mismo. Okay, so we have here, okay, so una sa lahat, okay, so you can see we have here dito sa structure na to, very bullish naman talaga siya ever since dito pa sa move na to. So yeah, dito naghanap tayo ng continuation setup. Yan, so dito yan, dito tuloy-tuloy na siya na bullish, ano. So makikita nyo dito a liquidity grab. Okay, so nagkaroon tayo ng makikita nyo ranging talaga siya dito. Tapos dito nagkaroon ng impulse move. So after ng impulse move, hinanap ko nagkaroon ba siya ng liquidity grab, and yes, we have a liquidity grab before this impulse move. Okay, na nag-break ng high na to. After that, okay, we consider this one as our order block. Okay, itong last candle, we're moving up. Then after that, after this move, karoon ng retracement dito sa order block. Then another impulse move, mas malaki siya. Okay, after ng mas malaking move, sobrang ganda na neto. So nag-liquidity grab ba? Yes. Okay, this low, this candle, bumaba siya dito sa low ng candle na to. Itong low na to. After taking this low, okay, nag-close siya dito, tapping this order block, then boom, impulse move. Okay, nagkaroon ng impulse move. So after this impulse move, makikita nyo meron din tayong iniwang fair value gap dito sa area na to. Okay, kita nyo siya. And ito yung last down candle before the impulse move. This will be our propulsion block. Okay, so this will be our propulsion block, which is, ang nangyari, makikita nyo naman. Okay, so yan, kasi nga when we are trading, okay, makikita nyo yan. Wait, hanap tayo, ano bang tinik nito? So wala, no? We will be using this one sa projection natin. Yon. Okay, yan, projection natin. Okay, now, so after that, makikita nyo meron pang another break of structure. Tama. So magkakaroon ulit tayo ng another order block dito. Okay, so our order block, stop loss lang natin dito. Okay, tipin mo yung another high. Okay, so yan, another propulsion block. Okay, because nag-tap siya dito sa order block. Okay, na-tap siya dito sa order block na to, sa order block dito, tapos another one, then another one. Okay, another propulsion block. Nakikita nyo, sobrang ganda ng move. So you're just following trend. Okay, so when you're trading propulsion block, it's trading with the trend, no? So binabasa mo yung order flow. Ano ba ang nire-respect niya? Bearish or bullish order block ba? Bearish or bullish fair value gaps ba? See? So yan, sobrang ganda ng order flow natin dito. Ang daming proportion block na nabuo. So hopefully may natutunan ka sa video. Yun lang. Proportion block. Peace out.